Hi everyone, welcome to VeganHood. Today we'll be making olive hummus, so let's get started. For this recipe, you will need 1 cup of chickpeas, half a cup of sesame seeds, 3 to 4 garlic cloves, 1.5 lemon, salt to taste, and olive oil and some olives. Now let's begin by soaking the chickpeas in some water for at least 6 hours. You can even leave this overnight. This is how they will look after 6 hours of soaking. Now we are going to pressure cook it for 4 whistles. These are fully cooked. Now we need to heat up a pan and add the half a cup of sesame seeds. We'll roast them until they turn slightly brown. Now we need to blend this into a coarse powder, which will look something like this. The next step is to blend the chickpeas. Add 1 cup of water to make it smoother. Now we'll add 5 tablespoons of olive oil. You can substitute it for any other oil. Add in the garlic, the sesame seed powder, and some salt. Let's squeeze in the lemon. Now this has a perfect consistency. To get to this, I had to roughly add 2 cups of water and 1 cup of oil, which is roughly 16 tablespoons. Now let's slice up some olives. You can even dice these into smaller pieces. Add it in and stir well. Now the olive hummus is ready. All we need to do is drizzle on some olive oil to give it that extra richness. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit like, share and subscribe. And I'll see you all next time. Bye.